Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this episode, we will check Solana price updates. Currently market price is at $77.84. We will check what are the next possible zones in Solana. Also, we will move forward with OrangeX crypto platform, and there is an update with OrangeX cryptocurrency platform. We will check everything in detail in this episode, so stay connected with us. If you are into cryptocurrency journey, if you want to stay connected with the market, you can click the subscribe button for the future updates. And if you have missed the last videos on cryptocurrency analysis, you can also check those videos. Also, you guys can stay connected with Telegram channel for the faster updates. Okay, real-time updates and cryptocurrency updates will be shared here. Also, I have shared some events details. You can explore everything on these Telegram channels. All Telegram channels links are given in the video's description. Alright, now let's get started with Solana analysis. Now let's check the next levels in Solana. First of all, let me open weekly analysis so I can have some clear levels. This might considered as a resistance point. As you can see here, price is exactly following that trend line and moving in between trend line. This is the weekly trend line, guys. Okay, let me make this bold. The weekly chart is showing that price is moving in between this trend line, which is downtrend channel. Okay, let's see how it is going in daily chart. Here we go. Daily chart is slightly turning downward here because price is already tested the resistance point. Now what are the next expected points? Let's analyze in daily chart. Okay, this is the support point in daily. Nearby resistance point is this one. If you go through these levels, like this pattern is generating here. Okay, we can have some levels to trade in 4 hours. We have successfully caught the buyers and sellers area here. Price might take little bit correction here, and afterwards it can lead to this resistance point. Scalp trade is possible here. That's about 5% profit is possible if this holds here. In this trade, 4% will be stop loss and 5.23% is my take profit level. Take profit target point is not that good. That's why I'm not opening any trade here. But if you are going through scalps and maintaining 1:1 risk reward, then this trade can work here. If price goes with our prediction, then 5.23% profit is possible without leverage. If you are using 2x leverage, that's about 10% profits. If price goes against our prediction, then 8% loss is possible here. If you can accept this, you can prepare trades like this. This is not financial advice or any trade recommendation. This is just an analysis for educational purpose. Okay, you can learn from this and try it on paper trading. Also, you can use demo trading feature. So this is the current scenario in Solana. Now let's move forward with OrangeX cryptocurrency platform. If you want to take a look to this platform link is provided in the video's description. We may start our journey in just 3 minutes. You can read about OrangeX on this page. You can download application for the feasible option. Here you can see 24/7 customer support. Community is available with OrangeX. In order to stay updated, X link is given here. Simply you can click on X in order to follow the X updates. Okay, right now there is an update with OrangeX. OrangeX is undergoing brand upgrade and will soon be officially renamed VowX. You can see here old right now OrangeX.com. Later it will be renamed to VowX.com. Here is complete announcement. A summary of a changes. Brand OrangeX, it will be changed to VowX. Official domain www.orangex.com. This is old. New one www.vowx.com. OrangeX brand identify interface visual design. OrangeX brand identity. VowX new brand identity. Future features and updates published on OrangeX, exclusively released on VowX after 10th July. Soon it will be updated as per this website information. Okay, unchanged items, please pay to close attention. Your account and login information remain completely unchanged, unaffected. All assets, balance and transaction records are fully preserved and unaffected. Means balance and everything will be stay as usual. During the transition period, all existing services, trading pair and functions will be continue to operate normally without disruption. Everything will be same, just name will be changed here. Okay, they might be preparing the things. Okay, I will update in next video about VowX platform, which is rebranded from OrangeX.com. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.